This content is the property of Put It Out There TV, also known as PIOT TV, a property of the House of Yasha Allah El Trust. If you are viewing and or listening to this content on a non-PIOT TV branded platform, then we kindly ask that you stop and flag this content for copyright infringement. Thank you.
The West said that slavery was a choice. I like to think that he was fucking correct. Especially when you continue to go by these slave terms here that we've just gone over. You continue to carry on the slave masters' names and pass them on to your grandbabies. Continue to go by these inferior names and have superior delusions of grandeur. And it's just full of shit. I ain't even gonna go through that. Let's continue on with person. It says in commercial law, a person is an individual or an organization. An individual is also an artificial person, y'all. I need y'all to know that. It's not talking about a flesh and blood man and woman. And it goes on to say corporation. A corporation is a person within meaning of 14th Amendment, equal protection and due process provisions of United States Constitution. The term persons in statute relating to conspiracy to commit offense against United States or to defraud United States or any agency includes corporation. In corporate law, person includes individual and entity. Foreign government is a person. Foreign governments otherwise eligible to sue in U.S. courts are persons entitled to bring treble damage suit for alleged antitrust violations under Clayton Act, Section 4. Illegitimate child. Illegitimate children are persons. Now, this is what I need you to see here. They're not saying flesh and blood. They are putting them in the status of corporations. Let's go on. And it says minors are persons under the United States Constitution possessed of rights that governments must respect. Now I need y'all to comprehend this. Yes, they're talking about minors less than 18, but they are also talking about minorities as well, because as a person of color, a black person, a colorable person, under the 14th Amendment, you are still a child. No matter how old you are, you still hold the status of a baby. That's why you're called a minority, because you are not competent enough to handle your own affairs. Let's go on down here. And it says municipalities. In other government units are persons within meaning of 42 United States Code annotated subsection 1983. Local government officials sued in their official capacities are persons for purposes of section 1983 in those cases in which a local government would be suable in its own name. Then it says see color of law. Now, why will we see color of law and it's dealing with municipalities? For those who don't know, municipalities are cities, municipal corporations. So if you've ever seen a sign where you're leaving one city and it says exiting corp limit and you're going into another city or a town or a village and it says entering corporation limit or entering corp limit, you are entering their commercial.
This content is the property of Put It Out There TV, also known as PIOT TV, a property of the House of Yasha Allah El Trust. If you are viewing and or listening to this content on a non-PIOT TV branded platform, then we kindly ask that you stop and flag this content for copyright infringement. Thank you.
Jurisdiction where they are presenting themselves to be law and they are not. For example, where I domicile at on the organic land where the municipal corporation City of Elyria does business at, right? They have a form of government for the mayor that is called Mayor Action Plan. Okay? Yet when the mayor is running for office, the mayor is running up under either the Republican form of government, the Democratic form of government, or independent. But see, that's where the color of law, that's where the cover-up comes in at, because what they do is they campaign under democracy, they campaign under Republican form of government, they campaign under being independent, but when they get into office at the City of Elyria Municipal Corporation, where the mayor is the chief executive office, they have a whole different form of government that is called Mayor Action Plan. But the thing is, though, the supreme law of the land is the Constitution for the United States of America, the Republic, and the treaties attached. And it says that all states shall have a Republican form of government. So there is no getting in office and creating your own form of government, especially when you have taken an oath swearing or affirming to uphold and protect the Constitution of the United States of America, the Republic, and the Constitution for the Ohio Republic. So this is where the color of law takes place. This is where the color of office takes place. This is where the color of authority takes place. All through corporate fraud. So this is for my brothers and sisters out there that think that they're black. We've went into the dictionary, we've seen that black is an achromatic color. We've went into the dictionary, we've seen that black is an Anglo-Saxon word, an adjective, which is a word used to describe a noun, right? It's an adjective. And we see that it means wicked, evil, dirty, unconscious, without light, without hope. So when you place an adjective on a noun, people, right? Or on a pronoun, or whatever the case, what are you saying? Evil people, wicked people, unconscious people, people without hope, dirty people, devil people, dead people, pale people. And it goes on to say that it's a cover-up. So what have they covered up? I'm asking you again, what have they covered up? They've covered up your true free national name, your true free national principles, your true free national religion, your true free national language, your true free national government has been covered up. Then we went on to the word color, right? And we also saw that in the regular dictionary for commoners, which a lot of you fail to read, right? We saw that color is also deceptive, a disguise, and it is a cover. A cover. So they're doubly hiding you from what? They're doubly hiding you from your free national name, your free national religion, your free national language, your free national culture, your free national ways. 2 times. Right? Then we went on to the word person. And we also saw that the word person comes from Latin persona, which is a mask. Hence person. Another cover-up. Colored persons. Black people. Black persons. Right? Then we also went into the law dictionary. What's poppin', everybody? It's JudahSon with Put It Out There TV. We definitely appreciate you for interacting with our content. If you enjoyed the content, please be sure to check the comment section or the description box for the link to the next video. Peace.